Good morning to my dear children of standard 6th. Today we will do revision of history, lesson number 3 and 4, the Harappan civilization and the Vedic civilization. Let's do the summary of lesson number 3, the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization. Another name for Harappan civilization, Indus civilization. Archaeological excavation first began at Harappa in Punjab in which year? In the year 1921 CE on the bank of river Ravi. Okay children. The material used by the Harappan to build houses and other structure was baked brick. Occupation of the Harappans were agriculture. Crop grown by the Harappans were wheat and barley. Harappans ornaments were made of gold, copper and precious stone. Thing made in Indus Valley was famous for its high quality cotton. Harappan civilization archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of river Ravi. That is how this civilization could be known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization. Excavations were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 kilometers to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. Similarly, you have to remember there was a striking resemblance between the remains of the structures and artifact. The remain in the structures and the artifact found at two places. Remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad. The same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. It includes town planning, road constructions, houses, drainage system, seal, pots and toys and their burial custom. Houses and town planning. Houses and town planning. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked brick. Some places unbricked and stones were also used for construction. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduct were used. The street had covered drain built with bricks. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them, and the towns were divided into two or more sections, seal and pots. Seal and pots of the Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from the stone called statite. These seal bear pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bull, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, and also the imaginary ones like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen in this seal. These seals were used as a stamp. The Great Bath. A spacious bath have been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. There were also a provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. Okay children, hope you understand till this much. Harappan peoples built their dead and they used to bury earthen pots with the dead bodies. They were Understand? Harappan civilization, housing in town planning, seals in pot. Okay, now in the next, the life in the Harappan civilization. The Harappan people practiced agriculture. Where did the excavation took place? At Kalibangan provides evidence of the ploughed field. The people there grew different crops, mainly wheat, barley. In Rajasthan, barley was grown on a large scale, while in Gujarat it was ragi, peas, sesame and lentil, masoor were also cultivated. The Harappan people were familiar with cotton. The dress of both men and women consists of knee-length cloth and upper garment. Ornaments and Harappan civilization. Many types of ornament have been found in the excavation. They are made of gold, copper, precious stone, as also shells, cowries, seed. Men and women both use multi-strand necklace, rings, armlet and waistband. A statue found at an Harappan site present an excellent specimen of their art. It shows the man's facial features very clearly. Trade. Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton, and this cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. Cotton cloth too was exported. The traders of the Harappan civilization provided muslin cloth to Egypt. Silver, zinc, gemstones, ruby, deodar, wood were some of the items that imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. This trade was carried on both by land route and sea route. Some of the excavated seal bear pictures of ships. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. The trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastal line of Arabian Sea. Reason for decline at the Harappan civilization. What do you mean by decline? Destroy. Frequent flood, invasions by foreign tribes, decline in trade were some of the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. Some regions became arid due to the weakening of monsoon, drying up of the river basin, earthquakes, changes in the sea level. People started migrate to one place to another, leading to the decline of the cities. This way, the Harappan civilization came to an end. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. It laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. Go through the question answers given in your documents. Okay, children. Till then, complete the chapter with the document. Till then, thank you, children. Hope you understand lesson number 3 very well.